Queen's in here somewhere within the last 3 days anyhow, so you girls are being good and I do appreciate it. Trust me on that.
Oh, buddy.
See, there's a deep and there's a medium.
Gotcha.
Okay, now
Wow.
just stand real
Look
still.
at them, how beautiful.
Come here, girls. I'm just gonna do this for a second. You'll be okay now. You stand there. I'm gonna stand over here. I'm just gonna lift it up so you can see.
Yeah. Wow. They've even got comb on the bottom.
See those caps right there, that brown light tan?
Yeah.
Those are bees that are gonna hatch out. And you can't really see, but down in there, there's little white things.
Mm-hmm.
That's new bees getting ready before they get capped.
What you doing, Ryan?
Putting on a bee suit. I'm gonna be a bee man.
You gonna be a bee man?
Oh, except
You gonna
his
get-
gloves. You gotta have some leather
He's got-
gloves.
Well, we got gloves for him.
We got our garden going. We need some bees.
What do you use for a smoker in there?
I'm using bath towels right now because I ran out of blue jeans.
Really?
Well, we
I
don't.
think there's a song in there somewhere.
Looking there to see what they've been doing,
See if
and
it
then
made
put
anything.
a honey super on it.
And that's where our honey that we'll be able to harvest comes from.
Exactly.
Here's
All
a-
right.
it's just try it here.
I'll demonstrate and then I'll let you try it. First thing you do,
Hey, bees.
you come in the back, lift it up a little bit. Just give it a couple puffs.
You just
Because
start
there's a
the
little
buzz
hole
around
in there and
there.
they'll have a guard bee in there. Then you come around to the front. Just give it a few puffs. Now do the back, do the front one more time.
So what does the smoke do to the bee?
Well, supposedly it does two things. It disrupts their communications, and it also makes them think there's a fire. And so they concentrate on filling up with honey to take with them in case they have to abandon the hive.
Okay.
Alrighty. Now, lift it off. You always look for the queen. Now there, a little
Is that the thing they put their honey on?
smoke a little bit.
Yeah.
Alright, that's
Here I'm going. Are they normally that loud?
Yeah. Let's see your hive tool. Take your hive tool, put it between the two boxes, give it a little crack. They've glued.
You go get stung with his hands.
Yeah, be careful, because you don't want to kill your queen. But they've glued it together.
Wow. Oh, they're good.
Alright, girls, leave me alone. Smoke them and watch what they do. Watch when they'll run down inside.
Mm.
Okay.
Are these built in such a way that they won't crush them when you push them together like that?
Right, you can see right here where these edges are. You got enough. Now, if you go slow, and if they feel that pressure, they'll run out of the way if they're between the two.
Yeah.
Because you don't want to crush one. Now, see this one?
Yeah, shaking his butt.
Yep, fanning and saying, you know, here's house, here's where you need to be.
Wonder where the queen stays.
Yeah.
So if you say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, well 6 is close enough to being 80% that we can put this box on.
Why are they not all just attacking us right now? Because of the smoke and...
We're not, the smoke is one thing, but we're not really threatening them.
Yeah.
Now if you sat there and cracked on it,
Yeah.
they wouldn't be happy. But
I mean,
right now we're not doing anything. I tell you what, let's do. Let's see if we can see brand new larvae. I like to use this thing because I don't like to stick my hands down there amongst them.
Yeah.
If you give me just a little shot of smoke, just you ready? Oh my.
They're doing it.
That's all bees to hatch out.
Wow.
They're pretty
Both
quiet.
sides.
So
They're doing really good.
they're doing good.
Now, I don't see the queen. Queens are hard to see. Oops. I don't like those plastic frames either because they're easy to drop. They're hard to hold. All right, girl.
They look like they're busy.
Is that honey?
That's pollen.
Yeah.
Pollen and honey mixed. And you can see shiny honey in there. Oh, there's the one with pollen on it.
Oh, yeah. There's filling them up.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. That's pretty healthy hive. When they line up and start looking out, they're trying to figure out what to do with you. You give them a little smoke, they'll be okay.
A lot of bees in there.
Oh yeah. Now see, see in here, see the white?
Yeah.
That's brand new larva. It'll grow. They'll feed it until it gets so big, and then they'll cap it. So that's a sure sign your queen has been here within 3 days. So she's in there somewhere.
And if the queen just up and dies, will that one of those larvae become the new queen?
They'll try to make a new queen out of one of the earliest ones, an egg if they can find an egg. Because they have to feed it nothing but royal jelly its whole life to make it into a queen. One more. Let's just peek it up. Amanda, your beehive looks really good.
It sure does. It's beautiful.
Oh, wow.
It can get awfully hot in there in the summertime.
Well, on me, I hear my dad a-calling. He's rocking on the porch. He's drinking homemade wine, or maybe a shot of moonshine, but he'd say beer should have been left in a dang horse. He's happy as a pig and slopping. He's been working in a field of hard knocks. He's a good old country boy, filled to the brim with joy, and he and Ma are just two peas in a pod. So don't be dumb as a box of rocks with with no elevator to the top, not the brightest crayon in the box. 'Cause what you don't know won't hurt you. Don't be sweating like a hoe in church, 'cause all your problems can be solved with a verse. Yes, all your problems can be solved with a verse.